Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Michael C. Michael, this is the console that you sent in. It is a Trinity motherboard. It was sent in decased, so we went ahead and installed the Muffin CR4 speed-up install type using a Matrix V1. You've got your pre-existing fan and all that sort of setup here. As you can see, nice fast boot times with the blue LEDs. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, Aurora Dash, all that stuff pre-installed. As you'll see here, the console will actually start up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Again, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, Aurora Dash, all that also installed on the console. We know this console came in, I wanted to say it was the 18th. Today's now the 25th. It's been several days, a little bit longer than I really like to go, but definitely within our 10 business days sort of turnaround time. So thank you very much for trusting us with your console. We'll get her packed up, and she'll head back out your way tomorrow. So thank you very much, and enjoy.